Django, catch exception. Looking at this code. Even with debug equals true, I don't want this raise exception to give that yellow page, but it does. I want to handle the exception by redirecting users to an error page or shows the error, give a CSS error message on the top of the page. How do I handle that? If I simply raise it, I will get yellow debug page. Again, I don't want certain exceptions to stop the site from functioning by showing the debug page when debug equals true. How do I handle these exceptions in views.py?
You can raise a 404 error, or simply redirect user onto your custom error page with error message. Django 404 error. Django redirect.
You have three options here. Provide a 404 handler or 500 handler. Catch the exception elsewhere in your code and do appropriate redirection. Provide custom middleware with the process_exception implemented. Middleware example.
Another suggestion could be to use Django messaging framework to display flash messages instead of an error page. And then in the view as in Django documentation.
If you want to get proper traceback and message as well, then I would suggest using a custom middleware and add it to the settings.py middleware section at the end. The following code will process the exception only in production. You may remove the debug condition if you wish.
Flash order is